What if I told you that you could save $1,000 in just 30 days without any lottery, side hustle, or magic tricks? Sounds impossible? Stick with me, I'll show you how. Welcome to FinPilot, your personal guide to smarter money. Today, we're breaking down a realistic, step-by-step plan to help you stack up $1,000 in just 1 month, no fluff, just facts. Step 1 is crucial. Track every single dollar you spend. Use a simple app like Every Dollar or just a notebook. Why? Because awareness is the first step to control. Once you see where your money leaks, it gets easier to stop it. Now, let's patch those leaks. Cut 3 major unnecessary expenses this month. 1. Dining out, save $200 by cooking at home. 2. Subscriptions, cancel at least 2 you rarely use. 3. Impulse shopping, wait 24 hours before any purchase. These 3 alone can easily save you $1,000 in 30 days equals about $33 a day. Break it down like this. Brew coffee at home equals save 5 day. No snacks or soft drinks equals save 4 day. Carpool or walk equals save 6 day. Limit online shopping equals save 10 day. Sell 2-3 unused items equals one-time boost of 100 plus daily small decisions equals big results. Pick any 7 days in the month and do a no-spend challenge. No spending on anything except essentials like groceries or rent. It's tough but powerful. People save 100,150 in just a week this way. Don't worry, no Uber driving. Try a micro hustle for just this month. Sell old books, clothes, or tech basic. Tutor, or do quick freelance gigs on Fiverr. Even just 4 gigs of $50 equals $200. That's your buffer to hit $1,000 without pressure. Track your spending, cut waste, follow the 33-day rule, do the no-spend week, add a mini hustle, and boom, that's your $1,000 in 30 days. Which tip are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly money hacks. You are not just saving money, you're taking control. FinPilot, take control. Fly higher.